Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're actually on our way to Retro Havoc. But this time, I'm not going there as a spectator. I'm actually going there to work. And I'm here with all the exotic mod boys. What's up? What's up? Yeah. We're gonna be working there today, so it's gonna be a long day, but I will get some time to go around, check out the cars, post all the new things that are coming up. And while I got you here, remember to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and let's continue on with the video, huh? Here we go. All right, so today's Retro Havoc is going to be a little bit different. Reason being is because I'm working, and I usually come with my family, huh? So today I don't have my wife or my daughter with me, so kind of lonely. Either way, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I can. Yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day goes, huh? I'm gonna be here all day, so no joke. It starts at 9 o'clock in the morning and it finishes at 12 o'clock at night. I'll record as much as I can and show you everything that I can, huh? Enjoy the video, guys. But of course, before we start any event or anything in the morning, we need to get our coffee. So let's go get some coffee, huh? Here we go. Got my breakfast. Now, the arrangement for today is going to be, I'm not going to record the whole thing because there's way too many cars. Every year it gets bigger, more cars, more people, more everything. So I'm only going to cover what I like, and hopefully you guys like it too, huh? So let's get started, huh? All right, so it is dinner time already. I haven't recorded anything because I've been so busy talking to people, updating them about the car, letting them know what the car is all about. Which car am I talking about? This 930 that I'm showing you right now. Yes, I helped build this car, and I'm going to do a separate video on this car very soon. Now we have time. I'm gonna have to run off a little bit. My wife and my daughter decided to join me.
Say hi.
Hi. And also my good friend Richard here. What's up, babe? So yes, my family decided to join me today, so I'm not alone. And now let's go see what Retro Havoc, the 11th edition, has to offer. So here we go. Check this out.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah.
So the organizers of Retro Havoc, every year they have the event, they release a new car. And this year is this S15.
So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus.
I saw this 180SX earlier. It is beautiful. Look at this. Very nice, very neat. Okay. Obviously, the owner decided to keep it simple, and it works.
Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo.
This is something different. It's something you don't see very often. You got a German car with a Japanese V8. That barely fits in there. Oh yeah, see, the whole bonnet is being cut open. Full wide-bodied. I don't know the purpose of the car, but if I built this, it'd be to do a big burnout. Check this wheel out, huh? I mean, I'm trying to build one myself, but I'm not going to this extreme. My car is going to be a burnout car. So, and this looks like it doesn't even get driven. But very nice. Nice choice of wheels, I like it. Nice color. The flares have been very neatly done. And of course, airbag suspension. You can tell he put a lot of effort into building this car, and it's paid off well. Looks very, very nice.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof off. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as
So for those wondering, where did I get my subframe and my rear axle from? It is this model car. Here we go. The Toyota Answer. This is what the car looks like from its original form. And I took the part that I needed so I can put my V8 into my Proton Wira.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as me.
Back to work. Hey. You know, every year I like to comment on which is the car that I think is the best build of the year, and this time Ali did it right, because this S14 is just absolutely sexy. Everything is perfect. Ride height, oh, it's got airbag suspension of course, but the choice of rims, the body kit, the color, I even like the color. I don't like pink, but this car looks good. Hey! This is what I love about Malaysian car culture. Everyone is just so friendly, you know, they're all down to show you their cars, make you enjoy their cars with them, and it's just a good atmosphere, huh? So, anyway, back onto the S14. It's still running the SR20, S15 SR20, but the whole body kit choice, everything just goes well. So my favorite car of the year at the Retro Havoc event is the Retro Havoc Pandem S14 Sylvia. How was the day, brother?
I'm so tired, brother. 12 hours still standby. I'm so hungry. I'm so tired, but very well okay. No problem.
Good successful day though, right?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, good successful. Thank you so much, brother.
Peace. Alright, it's the end of the night. Now, I usually don't record the rollout because I'm usually with my family. My daughter doesn't like the noise, and my wife doesn't like the noise either. My daughter, it scares her, so we usually go home. But I'm here with work. Work is finished. One of the guys is guiding the cars for us. So we are going to check out the rollout, huh? This is the only problem with the rollout. A lot of cars have to wait to get through the exit, and the amount of smoke and CO2 it kills my eyes. It's killing me. So that's it, guys. We're gonna end it here. We are so tired.
So tired, so tired.
We didn't even follow the what's it called, the rollout because.
Sorry to say, bro. I reach here 9 a.m. morning until now 12 o'clock already. I just one time eat, then drink. Don't have drink because the ground floor so hot already.
Yeah.
I'm still watching. Then people go out. Then I bring back my cars, but no more chance. Many people. How about you, brother?
I'm tired, I'm dead. We're gonna end it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, leave us a comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Huh?
Okay, thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up, for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up, change up, bring your brain stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, go get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'll never stop it. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves as a